Hi, my name is Michael Spencer and I am a UX designer. So I would like to show off my second project to you. It's a fantastic health, fitness and wellness app. Let me take you on this journey. So when we're going through the app, we've got coach marks that explain things and explain this unique onboarding system. There are three options to set up this app. There is the purely manual way. There is the setup wizard, if you like, which is the standard setup. But we also have here the automatic setup, and that's the real magic of what Metrix does. So let's skip the tutorial and get right to that. We're going to go directly to automatic setup. Now, automatic setup uses the power of AI to actually build this dashboard for you. You tell it in simple human terms exactly what you're looking for, exactly what you want. And when you do that, AI will think about it and say, okay, this person wants to track their blood pressure. This person is interested in monitoring their sleep. And it will create a home dashboard specifically for that. I actually created a small animation here to explain the sort of things that the user could say, either through a voice first input or by typing directly. In this case, we're going to type. So I'm going to say that I'm tired and irritable and I want to eat better. And let's see what the app comes up with. So of course it's going to take a little time to process that, but then it's going to show us the brand new dashboard. Here it is. And we can have a look at that and see, yeah, actually monitoring my steps, that's always useful. Seeing how I sleep, that's exactly what I asked for. And monitoring what I eat, fantastic. I am going to confirm these changes. I'd like to talk a little bit about this kind of app. And when developing Metrix, I did a substantial amount of competitor research, and that all apps seem to be the same. They have the cards on the screen here. You can click on them and they will give you more details of that particular item that's being tracked. And certainly you can do that here. But what these apps don't do is they don't bring it together. And that is what makes Metrix so powerful. The user would have been given a notification. They'd have opened their app, they'll see it, and then there is this flashing light. And what can that be? So clicking on that, we're brought to our sidebar where we have the various different insights that Metrix has come up with. Now, here's a previous one, but we're going to focus on this new one, which is the thing that's making the light bulb flash in the first place. It's detected a poor sleep pattern. And that's because it's found a link between the amount of steps that a user makes and the amount of sleep and deep sleep they take. So we're going to delve into that and see how we can explore this data. So we click on that and we're brought to a fairly standard AI interface. We've got the history of insights at the bottom here, which we can scroll through. And the AI is telling us exactly what happened. It reviewed the last month's sleep and found something interesting. Your deep sleep relies quite a bit on how active you are before sleeping. So the app has told us that this is going on, but as the user, I really want to know why, and I want to know more. So I will click and I will type and ask it. I'll say that's interesting. Can I see what's made it think that? So I'll send that. And it comes back almost immediately that Oxford University also did a study on this. And there's a clickable link here which will take you to the study and the web page. And then it also creates a chart for the user. So the user can see exactly tracked their sleep versus steps on this chart. So I'm sure you'll agree this level of insight and linking these different metrics together is incredibly powerful and could be incredibly useful to anybody that's trying to live a healthier and better life. There's always that manual element. You've eaten an apple and you need to log how many calories were in that apple. Well, first that's a Google search to try and find out exactly how many calories are in a Granny Smith apple. But what if there was a better way? Well, this is how I would handle it here. So I would click on logging and come to this screen. And I can see here I've got the option of typing directly or uploading something. And I'm going to upload because I had a letter from the doctor. The doctor measured my blood pressure and gave me a letter for it. I am going to capture that image on my phone. Snap, I've captured it. So I'm going to simply upload it. I upload it. The AI processes it. It says it's read the letter, it's logged it, and it's suggesting that it could add a card to the dashboard to monitor blood pressure. Now that's great. So the user's going to respond to that. Yes, please. I would like you to add that card to the dashboard. And we go home and we can see the dashboard now contains a blood pressure card. So I hope you've enjoyed my little tour of my health and fitness app prototype. There are things that I believe Metrix can do more. Wouldn't it be great if it could link in with those big players to have that Google Fit integration? Wouldn't it be great if it started looking at stress and mental well-being as well as physical well-being? So all of these things would come together and could make this such a powerful tool. Thank you for your patience and watching through to the end. And I will happily answer any questions you have in the comments. And I look forward to seeing you on the next project.